drinking coconut water on an empty stomach may sound simple, but it packs an impressive punch. It's like gifting yourself a natural energy boost without the sugar crash that coffee can betray us with. Um, um, Imagine starting your day refreshingly hydrated with coconut water. You're kickstarting your hydration game from the get-go. And consider that it's nature's Gatorade with its unique blend of electrolytes. Rehydrating yourself first thing can set you off on a high energy journey, feeling like a lively version of your best self. Now let's talk about your digestive tract. Drinking coconut water in the morning acts as a natural diuretic that gently nudges your system. That those subtle flushes can prevent bloating and unpleasant feelings, like carrying around an unwanted abdominal backpack all day. Got skin troubles. Many rave about their improved skin texture by regularly starting their morning with coconut water. The antioxidants work like a natural balm. And consider soft, hydrated skin on a cellular level, as if every pore is getting its own hydration station. Let's not ignore the underrated power of antioxidants. Coconut water isn't just hydrating, it's also brimming with these little superheroes. Consider them as warriors that combat oxidative stress, helping to reduce aging signs and keep you looking as fresh as your morning drink. Weight maintenance can be a constant struggle for many of us. Here's a low-calorie, subtly sweet drink that actually helps your metabolism in the morning. And imagine it aiding your weight loss journey like a steadfast companion on a long trail. Were you ever told to gulp down coffee to stay alert? Well, surprise. Potassium-rich coconut water can enhance mental clarity without the jitters. It's perfect for, steadying your focus, relentlessly pushing you forward during a busy Portland workday or a multitasking weekend. And aren't we all tired of random sugar spikes? Coconut water's natural sugar acts differently, providing a steady flow of energy through the morning. Visualize maintaining an even keel, navigating life's hurdles like a pro instead of crashing by 10. You probably heard of balancing your pH levels, but might not know why it's important. And coconut water helps neutralize acidity, resulting in fewer headaches and irritations. This undramatic pH balance can be a whispering hero in your health arsenal. Who knew your heart would love your morning drink choices? With its cholesterol-lowering effects, coconut water is a heart-healthy alternative to your sugary juices. It doesn't only hydrate, it lovingly maintains your cardiovascular mojo. Here's a fun pro tip. Infuse your coconut water with lemon or mint for added detox benefits. It's like giving your morning a refreshing twist, enhancing flavor while offering detoxification, and leading your digestive system toward a cleaner, smoother start. Some mornings starting with a smile can seem optional. But when I start my day with coconut water, it feels like I'm embracing a small act of self-love. Try this morning ritual and witness the ripple effect of health and happiness throughout your day.